Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details of space and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ashimary or Ashimary or you guys know who I'm talking about, okay? I literally had on their robe and I had on the little hairband, and you see the title, okay? I'm rocking their hair. Shout out to them for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their Ashimary 13x6 full transparent HD lace front wig. I have it in a natural black color and it says Jerry Curly Hair. This unit is available in 10 to 32 inches. If I'm not mistaken, they sent me 26, but I could be wrong, but it's somewhere on the screen so you guys can see it, okay? Just look over there. Or is it over here? Just look, and it's somewhere on the screen, child. Now, I do want to go ahead and stress that this unit is a 13x6 lace frontal. I'm wondering, is there a difference between a lace frontal and a lace front? I don't know. But y'all, this hair is doing what a 13 by 6 is supposed to do. Like literally, I could part this wig, and I hope you guys can see. Can you see my part? I part terribly. Y'all see that? All the way across. And you guys know I'm always fussing about like hitting wealth. You're not gonna hit wealth like super fast with this wig. Even then, even if you want your part all the way back there. Even if you want your part all the way back there, girl, it's still gonna be parting. Okay, so this is a true 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. Come through. Now you see I ain't add no baby hairs. Okay. I ain't add no baby hairs. And I ain't tweeze old girl. So, But let me give you their details, child. So on their site, it says unprocessed 100, I guess they mean 100% human hair wig from one donor. Full 13 by 6 transparent Swiss lace, strong and invisible, child. The densities and the length is available in 12 to 32 inches. It's available in 150, 180, and 250% density. Child, they must send me 250 because oh girl, thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, it says this wig can be dyed and it can be bleached all the way to a number 27. If you don't know what number 27 is, girl, that's like basically a honey color. It can be bleached all the way up to that. The cap size is your standard medium. Now, if you need a small, please contact, there's a custom fee, and please contact customer service. Pre-plucked hairline, 4 combs for security. Child, thought it was 3. I could be wrong. And wig life, it says 6 to 18 months, depending on use and care. So those are all the details and specs with this wig. Now, like I stated, y'all, I did not tweeze this wig whatsoever. I did bleach the knots, but I didn't tweeze old girl. Okay, so what you see is what you get. I feel crooked. I don't know if I'm crooked or the camera crooked, but I didn't want to add any baby hairs with this wig, even though typically they say baby hairs are along the perimeter and all that. I didn't want to add it because, honey, I felt like this hairline was hairlining. Do y'all? I know you see it. I know you see it. Like, child, they can't. Let me go ahead and get into my pros and cons because, girl, I'm about to already get into the pros, and I ain't even gotten out of this section. I do want to go ahead and say, as far as shedding and tangling, it did tangle a little bit, like literally this much, but it is a Jerry curly wig. But I always expect a little tangles with my curly units in general. But it was nothing to write home about, but I like to tell y'all, so you can't say I ain't tell you good because I told you good. Okay, now as far as it being big head friendly, I feel like this unit is medium to large head friendly, which I'm guessing why they only say that they can do a small, like a size small, because this unit is definitely geared more to medium and large head. So keep that in mind, and yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. Now if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, sis, then please continue to watch. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. I ain't got no con. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. Moving on. The pros are endless. This hairline is everything. This lace is everything. The fact that it's a true 13 by 6 wig, honey, and that part is parting, honey, is also a pro. The texture of this hair, pro. Like the way it feels, pro. Okay, the perfect summer vacation hair. All the pros. All on pro. Even applying this wig, I did still have to cut off some lace. I got that tucked in the back. But even applying this wig was way easier than probably most of the frontals I have ever gotten. Child, you did your thing with this unit. Okay, you did your thing with this unit. Obviously, I would recommend this unit. Did you not hear my pros, girl? Did you hear him? Yes, I would recommend this wig. So let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. Child, let me put my robe on because there wasn't nobody here to zip up my clothes. So other than Journey, and she don't know how to do it. So hold on, un momento. And she back in her road from the company. All right, so obviously this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Ashimary, or however you say your name. Shout out to you for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style.